Hi there, students. A shill, countable noun. To shill as a verb. Now, I think this one is an American phrase. I don't think the British really use this. Okay, a shill is somebody who's being paid to endorse a product, but who pretends to be impartial. So if you've got a salesman who's trying to sell something, then his shill comes up and he buys the salesman's product, making a lot of song and dance about it. Yeah, he's pretending to be a satisfied customer, and this works through crowd psychology. And if people see one person buying something enthusiastically, then it helps to persuade others. And this is a shill, an accomplice. Yeah, it's an accomplice of a trickster or a swindler, somebody who's pretending to be a genuine customer. Yeah, somebody who's giving impartial endorsements. Let's see, I get the feeling that many sports stars nowadays act as shills. They shill. So a particular sports manufacturer comes to them and says, "We'll give you all this money if you advertise our product." So the person advertises the product, and they say, "This is the best. This is the most wonderful." Do they really think so? I think they're just in it for the money. Yeah, so very often sports stars can make more money as shills than actually doing their sport, than actually playing. Okay, so a shill, yeah, is somebody who extols the wonders of a product. Let's see, you could have a shill in a casino who suddenly makes a great big wins lots of money, yeah. Or somebody who goes and buys lots of tickets in front of everyone, and it's encouraging people to buy, yeah. Okay, so it's to promote something for money. Okay, so you're paid to participate, to persuade other people to buy, normally by pretending to be a customer, a satisfied customer, somebody who's really important. So you'll just pretend to be an ordinary customer or an ordinary gambler, and you entice others to participate. Maybe in the street there's somebody doing the 3-card trick, find the queen, and his shill is playing, and you see the shill winning money. Yeah, and this is the idea of this is to get other people to participate because they think they're going to win. Okay, so shill. Notice you could have shill bidding in an auction. Yeah, this is where you get your, in an online auction, you get your friends and your relatives to bid for something that you've got in an auction in order to push the price up, yeah, to increase the price. And here they are acting as shills as well. Okay, so let's see, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Remember, this is American. Use it in an informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but stop there. As to origin, it may come from the word shilaba, somebody who was promoting a circus, somebody going around saying, "Come to the circus, come to the circus." Or maybe from the German word Scheibe, a black market profiteer. There are various different possibilities. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A shill to shill.